Hello friend, welcome to my channel Quest for Education. Today I am discussing 10 mathematics question for the student who is preparing for the Johar Navodaya Vidyalaya entrance exam. Let's start, and before we start, one thing I would remember you that don't forget to subscribe my channel. Question number 1. Using digit 1, 0, 5 and 7, the greatest 4 digit number formed is. So greatest 4 digit number, that is we have to write the greatest digit first. So 7 first, after that 5, after that 1, 0. So D is the right answer. Question number 2. The fraction equivalent to 0.65. So question number 2, 0.65, eliminating point we get 65 by 100, that is 13 by 20. So A is the right answer. Question number 3. The LCM of 12, 24 and 30 is. So 3, 12, 24, 30, that is 2, 6, 12, 15, 2, 3, 6, 15, 3, 1, 2, 5. So LCM equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 2 into 5, that is 10 to 120. So D is the right answer. Question number 4. When 10,101 is multiplied by 17, the product is. So question number 4, 10101 17, we got 70707 cross 10101 717171. So answer is C. C is the correct answer. Question number 5. The cost of 2 rings and 4 bangles is rupees 4,000. What is the cost of 5 rings and 10 bangles? So here the ratio of ring and bangles is, so 2 is to 4, that is 1 is to 2. Here the ratio of ring and bangle is 5 is to 10, that is 1 is to 2. So 1 is to 2. So the ratio is same in both cases. So we have to ignore one thing, that is bangle or rings. We have to ignore one thing. So cost of 2 ring are 4,000. Cost of one ring is 4,000 by 2. Cost of 5 ring is 4,000 by 2 into 5, that is 10,000. So cost of 5 rings and 10 bangle is 10,000. So C is the right answer. Question number 6. The product of two number is 5 by 4. If one number is 5 by 6, what is the other number? So we divide the product by one number, that is 6. 5 by 4 divide by 5 by 6. We got 5 by 4 into 6 by 5. So 3 by 2. So C is the right answer. Question number 7. A shopkeeper bought 2 dozen of banana at the rate of rupees 10 per dozen. If he sell them at rupees 1 per banana, what profit will he earn? So 7. Cost price of 2 dozen banana is rupees 10 into 2, that is rupees 20. So cost price of 24 banana is rupees 20. So selling price of 24 banana is rupees 24 into 1, that is rupees 24. So profit is 24 minus 20, that is rupees 4. So B is the right answer. Question number 8. The least number which when divided by 4, 6, 8, 12 and 16 leaves remainder of 2 in each case is. So first we calculate the LCM of 4, 6, 8, 12 and 16. After that we add 2 on the result. So we get the resulting number. So question number 8. 4, 6, 8, 12, 16. 2, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8. Again 2, 1, 3, 2, 3, 4. Again 2, 1, 3, 1, 3, 2. 3, 1, 1, 1, 1, 2. So LCM equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 2, that is 2 into 2 4, 4 into 2 8, 8 into 3 24, 24 into 2 48. So LCM is 48. So the required number is, so number is 48 plus 2, that is 50. So C is the right answer. Question number 9. A sum of money double itself in 8 years at simple interest. What is the rate of interest? Let principal be 100, then interest 100 time, that is 8 years. So we calculate from formula that rate equal to I into 100 by P into T, that is I 100 into 100 by P, that is 100 T 8. So 25 by 2, that is 12 whole 1 by 2. So B is the right answer. Question number 10. A train running at uniform speed of 90 km per hour, how much time does it take to cover a distance of 720 km? So we simply divide 720 km by 90. So 720 divided by 90, we got 8. So answer is 8 hours. A is the right answer. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.